Hello guys, today we are studying about the cell division. Very simple definition of cell division. What is the cell division? Suppose this is the one cell, we called it parent cell. Parent cell. Now that from parent cell divide and form two cells or one or two cells, we call it daughter cell. Okay. This simple procedure is called as a cell division. Means cell division is the important property of cell, and living organism is the process by which parent cell divides into two or more daughter cell. In the procedure of cell division, the parent cell divides into two or more daughter cell. We called it cell division. Okay. Cell division. Now we know that is the important property of cell, and living organism is the process by which parent cell divides into two or more daughter cell. We called it cell division. Now third point is the cell division first discovered by under microscope was first discovered by German botanist scientist Hugo von Mohl. Hugo von Mohl in 1835. Okay, the cell division is first discovered under microscope was first discovered German botanist scientist Hugo von Mohl in 1835. Now, cell division have two types. Types of cell division. Two types of cell division. One is the mitosis, and another is the meiosis. Okay. One is the mitosis, another is the meiosis. Two types of cell division. Okay. Mitosis is also called as a equational division. And meiosis is also called as a reductional division. Reductional. Mitosis is also called as a equational, and the meiosis is also called as a reductional division. Okay. Now, mitosis first discovered by scientist Walter Fleming in 1882. Scientist Walter Fleming in 1882. Mitosis is discovered by Walter, we call it Walter or Walter Fleming in 1882. Now, the mitosis consists of two phases. One is a karyokinesis, another is a cytokinesis. What is the karyo and what is the cyto? Karyo, nucleus, cytoplasm means division of nucleus, karyokinesis, division of cytoplasm, cytokinesis. What is the karyokinesis? Division of nucleus called as karyokinesis, and division of cytoplasm we called it cytokinesis. So what is the cell division? Is the important property of cell and living organisms, is the process by which parent cell divides into two or more. This is cell, okay. Two or more daughter cells. This is the parent cell divide two or more daughter cells. Okay. Two or more daughter cells. The cell division first discovered under microscope was first discovered by German botanist scientist Hugo von Mohl in 1835. Cell division divides into two types: mitosis, meiosis. What is the mitosis? We know that we see detail in the next video. What is the mitosis and meiosis? Mitosis is also called as a equational division. Meiosis is also called as a reductional division. Mitosis discovered by scientist Walter Fleming in 1882. Now, the mitosis consists of two phases. One is karyokinesis, cytokinesis. Division of nucleus, karyokinesis. Division of cytoplasm, cytokinesis. Now, in the next video, we study about the detailed information about the what is the actually mitosis and meiosis. Thank you so much.